It's now Sunday, the 6th day, and I got 4 more of these loaded onto the cart. 3 more, 2 more, 5 more left. Shelves are half empty. From where ceiling fans were, there's still a couple over there. And boxes up there, and on this side there's still a bunch. So we're gonna worry about these coffins probably next, after we get these totes out of here. And then we'll probably start working on all that stuff there. So it's coming along, slowly but surely coming along. There's your update. 6th day, Sunday. I think it's the 30th of July. This is after one trip to the new storage unit. I only have one more of those boxes left, which won't fit in my car, so I'll probably get it tomorrow. And I think it's these coffins after that, starting with the top ones. I'm gonna have to take everything out of them, each of them, to move each of them. And then we'll go to that area once we're done with this. Okay, progress after 2 loads on day 6. Not much down there. Probably won't notice a big difference, but that side is more filled. There you have it. Okay, we're in day 7, which is now Monday, July 31st. And it's around 5 p.m., maybe 5:30 or in between. So I got one of those coffins in my car, which I can only fit one with all the fans in it, or all the contents of it in the car as well. The last Bumblebee tote here. I still have another 2 stacks of those in my smaller storage unit, which you'll all be seeing in the near future. But if I do this all in my car, that'll be 10 trips of coffins. So there's the update. I will check back when there's more progress, which may be later today. I'm not sure. We're still in day number 7. 2 coffins down. The second one right here. In case nobody knows how I store my fans, I wrap them in blankets or in clothing material like that. I don't know the exact, it's kind of cheap material. label each box, or coffin should I say. So I have to take everything out, take the coffin, put it in my back seat, and put everything else in the vehicle, and then when I get to the new unit, I push the coffin up the steps, up the ladder, and then I repack everything, which you're going to see in the next clip after this. I'm going to probably label in the front as well. I don't know why I didn't do that already on these coffins, like I did on the Bumblebee totes. So there you have it. Update number 2 on day 7. July 31st, 2017, just in case if you're watching this years later. Okay, we're at day 7 still. It's after 9 at night. And I got 2 of the coffins up here. And I have changed a lot of things around up here. So we got coffins below. I've done some measuring. I'm gonna go one more over here. I've got a total of 10 of these coffins, so I'm probably gonna stack 2 on this wall, the back wall. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, that 10. So that would equal it out on each side if I did that. And I'm managing to pack more fans in these coffins. I didn't notice I had more room. I meant this one right here, I was able to get 3 more spinners in there from what was in there before. For some reason spinners are much easier to pack and store. Usually when I pack stuff in these boxes, you kind of have to equally pack spinners along with, you know, GE vent type motors or motors with housings, etc. Because if you just do GE vents or whatever, that's going to take a lot of room, and there'll be less fans in each box. So this is what we have so far. I might have to start doing this with my regular camcorder instead of my phone. Quality will probably be better. Alright, so I'm going to do one more load of these, one more coffin, should I say, I'm going to take back from my old storage unit and bring it here. So there you have it. Alright, I'm back. It's day 7. I did the last run. It's 10 till 11 at night. They bought this LED fluorescent light, which they're going to be installing up there where the old one is. Alright, we'll see how it's coming along up here. So this row is fully done. 3 of the coffins. Able to put 2 there before the ladder, front of the ladder. All ready for the back wall, which we'll probably do tomorrow. I did relabel some of these boxes. And I did relabel, or I put labels on both sides of these coffins. So We're definitely coming along. So there you have it.